Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Under the Night Moon, and I'm so happy to have finally been able to finish these projects using the Your Creative Studios paper collection, or the box of gorgeous papers. This is the thing, or this is the item that we made in the Craft With Me video, which is posted I don't know how many videos. I think it's 3. So you'll just look in the title for the Craft With Me, and it will be this exact item. The only thing is, I let the video go for, I think, almost 2 hours, and it wasn't finished. So I finished it off camera, and this is the finished product. So I apologize for not finishing with you on camera, but these things take an awful lot of time to create, and I just wanted to finish it properly and make it as pretty as I possibly could. But I think we got a lot of really fun things done on camera for you, for inspiration, and also just to have fun with. Let's say you did get this box, or you have some other papers, and you know, you just like to watch the Craft With Me's. But let me know if you do have this box and you were able to make some things. It would be really fun to know that my videos helped you. So without any more talking, let's go ahead and do the flip through of what I've come up with. And the only thing that's missing on here is a sparkly piece. And so you'll have to stay tuned for the Etsy photographs tomorrow to see what I choose. But we made this gorgeous folio, and you can see this is the finished product right here. So this is the inside, and then it folds up like so, like so. You've got the front and the back. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love the way it came out. And so let me show you. So let me start with the cover. This is actually a notepad, and this sticker right here I absolutely love. And then you can see this is what we did in the video, and then I just added some really pretty laces, some fun pearls, and just made it really prettier. And then this is the notepad, and I just had this offcut of this beautiful rose paper, and I just strung a string through there. I wrapped it around, and it opens like so. This is not complicated, but okay, there we go. So you can see the tissue paper from the box. And then these are all papers, some ledger paper that came with the box. So your offcuts and things always make a beautiful notepad. Perfect for writing, telling a story, adding pictures, the beautiful botanicals. So yeah. And then to tie this is very easy. That's what happened there. You really just are tying these 2 strings in a bow. And I will do that later because I want to go ahead and show you. This has a lot of things in it. So you open it up, and it's the trifold. And in the video, we wanted our tag that we made to be like the center piece. So we'll get to her. But on this side here, I just added some beautiful textiles. Again, going with the pre-Raphaelite theme. I did put a frame, beautiful frame. I had this picture, it's not really ocean themed, but I loved the colors. I thought it looked so pretty, so I went ahead and added that. And then I made a really fun envelope. You saw that we did pull this hot pink paper out, And I just thought how fun to make a little envelope and put all of the fun things that are in this box in this little, it's like a wallet style. And I stitched it, and there's our flamingo, so pretty. And so I put some tickets, the little pineapple, these really pretty die cuts, some seashell cards, this gorgeous embossed paper, and then a bunch of tickets for you to play with. All in that little envelope. So lots of things to play with in this little envelope. And I stitched it for durability, and then I added a little Velcro there to keep it all in place. And you don't have to keep all these things in here. I just thought it was fun. And then on the back, I did add another fun little bird, and she's a flip. I hand stamped memories right there, so you can journal right here. Maybe put a little picture here. And then inside this pocket, another really pretty tag, our little envelope, and then our frame and our beauty, like so. And then the center here is where we attached our fun trim, our beautiful paper. And then I added this gorgeous floral, oops, uh-oh. I always gotta remember with this lace, my little gems are gonna get stuck to it. This beautiful floral, and then I attached this heart, which is really, really beautiful. It really shines and sparkles. Some pretty seam binding. And then in this pocket here, we decorated with the beautiful shell card, our gorgeous tag that we made together, ready for a story on the back. I did sign the tag down here in the corner. And then just for fun, I gave you some vellum, this really pretty doily, and a fun tag for you to play with or to journal on the back. All of these are just things for you to have fun with. Maybe you have a little collection of papers and things to add to this little folio, or you just have a special event that you want to record, or you just want to keep this on your desk because the colors are so pretty. I really love the colors in these projects here. Here's some of my mom's green silk thread that we talked about in the video. The little wax seal right there. And then the other thing we made in the video was, well, here's another beautiful, yeah, it goes this way, frame. And then we made this really fun index card pocket that I learned from the Pink Strawberries video. That's all in the Craft With Me video. And that just sits right in there like so. We found the little, this says Eddie Baldwin, Eddie with E-T-T-I-E. And then the little fish I thought was so cute. And we made that a little pocket, and we put some little tickets up there. And then if you have some little teeny pictures, wouldn't it be so cute to store them up there? Yes. So that's that. And then this side flips over. And then I put this gorgeous Art Nouveau floral. It's actually a powder box. And then I attached this little tag and rhinestone. And you can see this really beautiful William Morris paper, ready for you to write a beautiful story on. So pretty. And then my little water lily is a little tuck spot. And then I did put a few more things from the box, these gorgeous stickers. A piece of embossed paper, like this natural color paper, so pretty. And then some really pretty botanicals. And then I had this on my desk from Ruby and Pearl. It's just an offcut of one of my books, but it's so pretty and feminine. and matched so beautifully. I went ahead and added that as well. So that goes in there like so. I really love the way this whole folio came out. It's so feminine and pretty. And I would love to have this on my desk just to kind of sit and daydream. Be so pretty. And then this whole thing flips over, and then the back, again, just a fussy cut floral. Our little girl that we we stamped in our pink ink. And then another little bag that these items came in. And then there's our backing papers. And then again, just some more things that came with this box of papers, this gorgeous vellum. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I just put a really pretty floral, and then a whole bunch of botanicals and tickets and things that came with the box for you to play with. These are all stickers, and I love keeping them all inside this vellum little folio here. Perfect for you to come to when you need a quiet little project, have some fun. What's better than stickers and paper? And then I will sign this because I didn't, right by our girl. And that concludes the flip through of all of these projects using the My Creative Studios collection, the May 2023 box. I hope you enjoyed the craft with me. I really hope to hear back from you and let me know how you liked it. Again, it's something that I've been working on for a while, trying to make the videos fun and interesting and not boring, not too long. Yeah, so I'm ready for feedback. But other than that, I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you that have left a comment or I have received some of the most beautiful messages. I know I say this a lot, but I really just want to make sure I stop and say thank you, because it really just helps me so much. Just keep on creating, and I just appreciate it, and I love it, and I'm grateful. So thank you all so very much, and I will see you in the next video. I've got more things coming. But this is the wrap up for the My Creative Studios. So have a really beautiful, wonderful rest of your day or evening, and I will see you in the next video, everyone. Bye for now.